love that. Yay!
And it has all kinds of things inside.
Let's check it out. What do we have, Cam?
Basket. Please. Upside down.
Whoa! So this is the Puppy Dog Pals pet carrier. You can find it at Target, TJ Maxx, and Walmart.
Yup.
And what's inside, Cameron?
What's inside?
Yeah.
What's inside what?
What's inside your pet carrier? What does it come with?
I don't like to go.
But tell your friends what it came with.
It came with the Puppy Dog Pals.
Show me which dog did you get?
I got the puppy. I got Rowie.
Oh, Rolly. So the pet carrier comes with Bingo or Rolly. Cameron chose Rolly. It also comes with a cute little doggy collar.
Yeah, and you can brush his hair.
Oh.
You can brush his back.
Very good. What else does it come with? So it comes with a cool brush.
It comes with the bone. I don't know what the.
Let me see the bone.
Oh, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot the little thing.
You want to go get it?
Yeah.
All right.
Hold on
Oh,
one second.
no problem. So I'll tell you guys a little bit more about the Puppy Dog Pals pet carrier. It comes with a cute dog. This one's Rolly. And a really, really cute collar. You get your Puppy Dog Pal brush
Wait, mommy.
with the paw print behind it.
Wait,
You can brush the doggy.
mommy.
And a cool bone.
Mommy.
Mhm.
Hey, mommy.
Yes?
Mama, don't stay without me.
What'd you say?
Don't stay without me.
Okay, I won't. So we're gonna take a quick break and we're gonna come back when Cameron is ready.
Look. Hey guys, welcome back to Karen's YouTube channel. And today it's introducing the small carrier
Ooh,
and the big carrier.
nice. What's inside the small carrier?
Small carrier. Well, you see. Mommy, there's something in here and in there. This one, Mommy, this one, they have the word thing inside.
Ooh, let's
And here.
check what's inside the small carrier. I'm
Small
curious.
carrier, please. Upside down.
Whoa! You have Rolly and Bingo. Rolly is so cute. Can you show us Rolly? Show us that Rolly.
This one has the word thing inside. Is the word thing empty or is it filled up?
Let's check.
A basket. Upside down. That's all. Add him.
Ooh, let's check him out. Let me see the Rolly.
Why you put money?
Let me see the Rolly.
Why? The Rolly?
Yeah. Oh, how adorable is Rowie?
Mommy.
What? Uh-oh.
I'm gonna be alright.
All right. Oh, thank you for my hug. I love you. I love you so much. My baby. Oh, my baby. Oh.
Hey guys, this is Ashton. Remember, subscribe to Kelly's YouTube channel. Bye.
Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.
No, you will say it and I will say it.
Okay, peace out.
Peace out.
Ah!
Never
Oh no.